Hey guys, Casey Screams back here. I make videos about self-care. If you want more of that, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Today we're talking about delicious, tasty coffee. I don't know why I said it like that. If you're in the throes of a global pandemic, maybe isolated, trapped in your house, you may not have all the normal coffee resources, but coffee is an important part of self-care. So today we're going to explore how to make coffee in the worst case scenario. Join me, will you? All right, guys, today we're making coffee in the worst case scenario. This is assuming the only real coffee thing that you can find is a cup and roasted beans, like this. These beans I roasted myself over the fire because I didn't want to go to the store and get more beans all the time. And then we have our convenient little mug. Stupid gravity. So, how do we make this into a delicious cup of coffee? For the first part, we're gonna use our handy dandy rock. This is just a standard rock. It's like a river rock. Found it on the ground, and I definitely washed it. First thing we're gonna do is prep our beans. We're gonna just push them up into a pile like this, and we're gonna crush them with the rock. And what we want is this to be completely evenly crushed. But you don't always get what you want. There, that looks pretty bad. We gotta filter this. But what if you don't have a coffee filter? Not only do you not have a coffee grinder, but you don't have coffee filters. And you know you're not gonna use paper products. We're gonna use our trusty jar. Just a standard mason jar, and our trusty sock, which is probably clean. Stretch the sock over the mason jar, and take the floppy end, shove it down like that. There we go. And then carefully, ever so carefully, throw the coffee beans in there. And the finer the grind, the stronger the coffee. Perfect. Take your water and you give it a little bit. Pour through a little bit. Soak it, and then you wait just a hot minute. Get it? Hot minute. And you let her go some more. Slowly pour it in. Nice and steepy. Then when you're ready to pour, you just take your sock off. Like this. Make yourself a cup of joe. Ow. There you go. Nice shiny cup of joe. We will overcome. Add some cream to this, because I may be roughing it, but I'm not a monster. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Good work, Rock. You did your part. Nice.